Paris?
No, we have forks in garbage disposal.
Let's do the fork in the garbage disposal.
So like, so but we used to do this in like clubs, and like he came to Paris, and we're like 18 years old or something, and we're like all fucking fucked up, and we're like getting to this club, and we used to do like my friends and I used to do crane, so we're like on podiums and just like turning like like this, right? And so you smack everybody with all the fucking bullshit you have, right? Because you have bags and purses, whatever, right?
Pacifiers.
Right.
Glow sticks.
Right? And a couple of years ago, this choreographer comes up like in America with this shit that's called like the fork in the garbage disposal, which is exact same
No,
shit.
Kiki, you're yesing too hard.
She's gonna yes to death. Let's do the fork
In the garbage disposal. Ding 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 ding.
It's
going
so
well.
Brilliant. It's like the most brilliant shit ever. Yeah. It's so funny. I love him. So he's like, in that video, he's actually teaching how to yes, right? Which is pretty funny.
Take it, Moni.
with your iPhone.
Yes,
You have
too
to. I
hard.
can. He's gonna die. Kiki's gonna die.
I want to go back to class. Let's talk about mortgages.
Oh, not unless.
Le Palace, le Sky quoi, le Sky Club quoi.
Oh,
That was so funny.
Oh, it's weird. Everything's mirrors.